everyone, so I'm styling this wig from Sunber hair. I'm just going to put wand curls in this for today. I'm not going to do that much more than that, and I'll probably be showing you guys how I do the got to be glued on camera, but at the moment this is all I'm doing. The wig is already pretty much straight and I've had it for maybe a little over a week now, so this is how I do it. I'm back with a new video. I am obviously in Texas now. I was gone for a long time, and that's because I was going through a lot of stuff. I'm probably gonna go, I'm not gonna go into detail, but I'm gonna talk about it more in my vlog or my moving vlog and stuff. I'm gonna do my baby hairs kind of on camera. I'm gonna zoom in. The lace on this wig from Sunber hair, oh my god, is really, really good. This is how close I'm gonna get. I basically already I glued everything down with got to be glued. So I have my Cantu Shea Butter Natural Hair mousse, wave whip. Use it as a hair mousse. And I just go in like this. And this needs to be, I already kind of cut this in a way. And I just kind of set it this way. I should be honestly having to set this with a blow dryer, but I'm not gonna do that. So this is how everything is looking. There is an elastic band sewn on this unit. This is a 24-inch body wave. Yeah, this is a 24-inch body wave unit. I actually just did wand curls earlier today, but just that it wouldn't be frizzy or anything for you guys. And this is something that I'm gonna be wearing all the time. I like it because I did bleach the knots before I left for Texas. And then now I'm just obviously leaving it the way it's supposed to be. The price of this wig is gonna be $316.89, 150% for the density. This is how the hair is looking from the side. It's really, really pretty, you guys. This is hair that I would definitely wear for summer and winter. There's no going back with that. They gave me a set of wig caps. I don't have the box because I moved. I didn't have a chance to film this before I moved. They also gave me a little scarf, as well as lashes and a little satin bag. There was a little bit of shedding, but it's not much. The hair tends to get obviously if there's some moisture outside, it could get a little bit frizzy, but it's not crazy at all. You guys saw the hair before I even straightened it, it was fine. If anything, it's just a tiny bit of poofiness, but to me it's great. And then this is how the hair is looking. It's literally, I only used got to be glued. Yeah, everything was fine after I used that, and I just did wand curls. I also went in and I just kind of tapered the hair so that I could have a more natural look. Everything was one length before, but I just added in some layers in the front, and it already had layers in the back and stuff. There's a short layer or layers going on here, as you can see, so it makes it look a lot more natural. And the elastic band helps me so that I can just put my hair behind my ear, or it stays. Also the lighting is going to be a little bit weird because I don't have my lights anymore in this room. So yeah, but that's all that I really have to say about this unit. It's really, really pretty. I'm gonna go take some pictures with it really soon because I really do like how this looks. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link to this unit by Sunber Hair down below. Be sure to go ahead and check them out. I'm sure that you'll like them. This is how the texture of, don't look at my acne. This is how the texture of the wig is looking. And this is me after washing it like 3 times. Like I've had this wig for a minute now, and so yeah, it's really, really pretty. And like I also cut the lace in the front here a lot closer to the hairline, and then on the sides I didn't have to worry about that too much. So yeah. Okay. Okay, but I think that's it for the video. If I have to add anything else, I will. I'm gonna go do some intro shots as well as some photos before it gets dark outside. I think I'll be fine though. I will talk to you guys later. Have an awesome day, and be sure to go ahead and follow Sunber Hair down below. And yeah, okay, bye.